This is a 422.8 kilowatt peak solar PV system on the rooftop of T&C Manufacturing in Singapore. The system was designed and installed by WEnergy Global. The solar panels were carefully separated and placed on the roof to avoid overloading the structural columns of the building. The system was also designed to comply with nearby height restrictions from the Singapore Air Force. This solar PV system produces more than 555,000 kilowatt-hours of clean electricity per year. This is equivalent to supplying the annual electricity consumption of 119 four-room HDB flats and reduces T&C Manufacturing's carbon emissions by 255 metric tons annually. The system's performance is tracked online by an industrial-level software. Any faults are reported immediately for corrective actions. Our team of engineers worked closely with T&C Manufacturing's project team, impressing them with our professionalism. The smooth installation under a tight timeline exceeded their expectations, earning high praise from their management.